Do you find yourself getting sucked into watching online videos even when you know you should be doing other things? Maybe your habit isn't as bad as you think. Instead of beating yourself up for being unproductive, why not actually make money while watching videos in your spare time? It is possible to get paid to watch videos online, and this video will show you how to do it. Let's get into it. Number 10. Swagbucks Video. Swagbucks is one of the largest reward sites around, having paid out over $450 million. The site lets you watch videos to earn points, which are called SBs. Each SB is worth about 1 cent, and there's no minimum withdrawal amount, although most rewards start at $3. Payment options include gift cards for popular retailers like Amazon, Target, and Walmart, as well as real money sent to your PayPal account. The video topics are varied, including entertainment, travel, and more, and you pick what interests you. The site also gives you the chance to make money by taking online surveys, through cashback shopping, and a whole lot more. Number 9. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars pays you in cash, not points, for watching things like television shows, movie previews, cooking commercials, and more. As a general rewards site like Swagbucks, the two sites are owned by the same parent company. You can also earn extra money by taking online surveys, reading emails, using their cashback shopping portal, and redeeming their printable coupons. The site has a very good reputation, having paid out over $59 million in cash rewards to its members. And both its iOS and Android apps have solid ratings from over 100,000 reviewers on each platform. However, be aware that you can only get paid to watch videos via your desktop browser, not in the apps. You'll get a $5 bonus upon signing up and activating your account. Number 8. MyPoints. MyPoints pays you in points for watching videos, taking surveys, printing coupons, and playing games. Your points are redeemable for free gift cards, PayPal money, and even travel points. The site's minimum withdrawal is around $3 depending on the option you choose, which is not too difficult for most users to hit, given the variety of ways that there are to earn on the platform. It's worth noting that MyPoints has two separate apps, the main MyPoints mobile app and the Daily Scoop, which is devoted entirely to video content. Unfortunately, Daily Scoop is only available for Android devices, and some reviewers have reported that it doesn't always have a full inventory of videos. Number 7. Fusion Cash. Fusion Cash is another rewards website that makes money from advertisers and shares some of the profit with its users. You can get paid to complete surveys and search the web, earn cash back for shopping, and get rewarded for watching videos and listening to the radio. Once you have $25 in your Fusion Cash account, you'll be able to cash out via PayPal account, direct deposit, or check. There are no fees to access your money. In addition to the extra cash you'll earn from watching videos, you can earn a $5 sign-up bonus, and $1 to $5 in referral bonuses for each friend who signs up. Number 6. Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel. Nielsen, the well-known company that provides TV viewership ratings, gives you an easy way to make money by watching your favorite TV series or anything else you want online. It's one of the best passive income apps. You can make up to $50 per year just by downloading the app and then using your smartphone as usual. What's nice about the Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel is that you don't have to change your viewing habits. Unlike some of the other options in this video, which often make you watch ads or other sponsored content, you get to choose what to watch, whether that's YouTube, Netflix, or the news. There's no specific requirements. And getting set up is a snap. Just create a username and password, provide some basic information about yourself, and install the app. In addition to the $50 annual payout, participating in the program makes you eligible for periodic sweepstakes. Every month, the company gives away $10,000 split between 400 winners, with a grand prize of $1,000. Number 5. Cashkick. Like other tried and true apps on our list, Cashkick partners with companies that are eager to get feedback from consumers like you. While Cashkick does not have a dedicated page with the Better Business Bureau, it's a legitimate site that allows you to earn rewards in several different ways. Cashkick users can get rewarded for watching short videos, taking surveys, downloading and playing games, signing up for services, and completing other tasks on their computer or mobile device. The payout for each activity varies, and users can choose to cash out their earnings via PayPal once they have $10 in their Cashkick account. With Cashkick, you also have the option to refer friends and earn rewards. When a friend signs up with your referral link and completes tasks on Cashkick, you'll get a 25% commission on their total earnings. If you have friends or family who are eager to earn extra cash in their spare time, making referrals can be a great way to work toward that $10 payout threshold. Number 4, Grab Points. Grab Points is a free mobile app launched in 2014 and allows users to earn points for activities such as taking surveys and watching videos. Grab Points has many positive reviews both on its website and on Trustpilot. When you watch videos on Grab Points, you'll earn points. You can choose from a variety of channels, so you won't have to watch videos that don't interest you. Grab Points will show you how many points you'll earn and how many videos you'll need to watch to earn rewards. Once you have 3,000 points equivalent to $3, you'll be able to get PayPal cash or free gift cards to popular retailers. Because there's a low threshold for redemption and you'll be able to get your payout in 48 hours after requesting it, Grab Points is one of the fastest ways to make money watching videos online. You can also earn extra points for referring your friends to the program. Number 3, Viggle. Launched in 2012, Viggle is a rewards app for Android devices that allows users to earn rewards for watching TV shows and listening to music. The app has more than 7 million users who have redeemed more than $19 million in rewards. Viggle lets you earn points for watching TV shows and movies on your favorite streaming platforms and live TV just by checking in with the Viggle app. Users get a point per minute for watching shows or listening to music through the Viggle app. Plus, any bonuses featured shows can earn up to 15x the points. You'll be able to redeem your points for PayPal cash, a prepaid debit card, or free gift cards to more than 200 retailers. Number 2, Irazoo. Irazoo is a rewards program founded in 2016 that provides users with points for trying out apps, completing surveys and offers, playing games, and watching videos. Irazoo has more than 50 channels of video content to choose from. You'll watch mostly ads, app trailers, movie trailers, short films, movie reviews, and cooking tutorials. Once you get 3,000 points, you'll be able to redeem them for a $5 gift card or $5 in PayPal cash. After you choose your reward, you'll have 30 days to use it before it expires. Number 1, Netflix. If you're looking for a full-time opportunity and have skills in categorization and love film and TV, keep an eye on job openings at Netflix. Netflix hires a small number of lucky editorial analysts, also called taggers, to essentially tag their content, so it appears in the right categories and gets pulled into the right rows on your home screen. That means watching hours of movies and TV shows could actually be part of your job. For example, the company recently had an opportunity available for someone who speaks Spanish and has a passion for Latin American content. The first responsibility? Watch, research, rate, tag, annotate, and write analysis reports for movie and TV content. Sounds like a dream for someone who loves to binge watch new series. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed. Until next time.